You know what's really good? That guy right there, Toprak Razgatlıoğlu. I butcher his last name every time. Toprak is back racing this weekend. This comes from, was it 2 rounds ago? I think 2 rounds ago, where he had this crash where he lost the front, or whatever you want to call it, crashed and ran himself into, well, ran his body into that wall, which is incredible that he wasn't hurt worse than he was. But obviously that weekend he was ruled out. The weekend after he was ruled out, and well, this weekend he is back racing, which is super good news. And it's also really good news for him because as I'm looking at it, maybe these are wrong, but these are ones I can find. He is first at 365 points. Nicolo Bluega, sorry again, whatever, is 352. Alvaro Bautista is 283, and Alex Lowe's is 255. So he's only got what, a 13-point lead against second place. So it's really good for him to one, be healthy enough to race. That's always a really good thing. To come back, be still leading the points. I mean, he's had a very, very dominant season, and he's just like, it's kind of one of those things you got to say. Yamaha has got to be so incredibly sad that they lost him. And obviously, picking up Jonathan Ray is not a bad second choice at all. But I mean, this guy is just talent out the ears, and for him, moving on to the BMW, that thing's a rocket ship. The flames they shoot are hilarious, and I love it. And it's good to see him doing well. You didn't want to see him, like, as a fan of his, I didn't want to see him leave Yamaha, go to BMW, and just be like relegated to the back. But hopefully, he is still fully healthy, or healing up and good for this weekend, and he'll be fast this weekend. But comments down below. You guys tell me, are you watching WSBK? Have you before? Are you getting into it? Are you into road racing, or just off-road dirt bike racing? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.